Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you notice a delay between your pen movements and the ink appearing in Goodnotes, that's called pen latency. While some delay is normal, you can reduce it significantly with the right settings and habits. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to reduce pen latency in Goodnotes in 2026 for a faster and more natural writing experience. So first thing, lower stroke stabilization. So high stabilization means more delay. So select the pen tool, okay, open pen settings and reduce stabilization, okay. So lower means faster response, medium or low is the best. You can close background apps. So too many apps means slower performance. So open app switcher and close unused apps. So it frees app RAM and improves responsiveness, okay. So use a simpler pen type. So some pen styles are heavier, so use ball pen for lowest latency. Avoid heavy brush effects when speed matters, okay. So simpler rendering equals faster ink response, okay. You can also reduce page complexity. So large or heavy pages slow down writing, okay. So avoid pages with too many images, split notes into multiple pages and limit large PDFs. So lighter pages equals faster performance. You can also zoom in while writing. So using the zoom window, for example, activate zoom tool, right inside the zoom box. It improves control and you can feel more responsive, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.